sa mayor, sa lokal.
Walain sa yung mga masama man, hindi man sila mamatay ng hindi masama. Yung may ginagawang kasamaan, yun man lang ang nawala. About drugs.
Duterte. Kasi tagal na siyang mayor dito sa Davao, okay naman yung pamamalakad niya. Saka okay yung improvement ng Davao.
Duterte is a person that he's so vulgar with his words. He's so harsh in all his attitude. His words is so alarming to me, and that's why I don't like him.